Hey, what's up, guys? Um, I'm using Screencast-O-Matic because I want to show you something on ManyChat. This is a really good tool. Also, did I really just close out of my stuff? Look at my desktop's a mess. Don't look at that. I did. I closed out of it. That's so stupid. Okay. Anyway, Screencast-O-Matic is a really good tool for you guys, especially if you need a tool to help train your team. So, okay, we're gonna go to ManyChat.com. Give it a minute. Now, I'm still trying to learn this myself, so bear with me, but I just want to show you guys really quickly and really simply, like, just basic message on ManyChat so that you can get rocking with it. So, as you can tell, I just started. This is on my Internet Gypsy page, and so over here you can link multiple pages to it. I'm just going to show you. Mine's the same on both pages, so I'm just going to show you on this one. But you go down here to automation, and your welcome message is where you're going to start. Now, I was having issues. I couldn't figure out, I had it all set up, couldn't figure out why it wasn't working. Up here, do you see disabled, enabled? All I had to do was push that button and publish. And I've been like fighting with it for 2 days, couldn't figure out why it wasn't working. So that's why I say go here, start in welcome message, make sure you are enabled. Okay, so now mine is already published. It's going to look a little bit different than when you're first starting. But I'm going to click edit just to show you guys. No one's even seen this yet, so bear with it. Okay, here it comes. Now, I'm just going to click on my first step. So now, this is what happens. Someone has commented on a post on my page. They're going to automatically get this message. Well, it's actually within like 2 minutes that they get this message. So, hello, first name. Thanks for commenting on my post. Do you have time for a quick chat via Messenger? Now, the reason for this little question here is because they have to opt in to become a subscriber on your ManyChat. So, they're going to answer either, sure, why not? Or they're going to answer, no, not right now, which most of the time people are going to say yes. But I'm going to show you what I did here to combat anybody that does say no. So they click on sure, why not? And I have this set to, there's different options here. So mine, I'm sorry guys, I'm explaining it, but yours is going to look different because you won't have stuff already put in here. But I just wanted to show you mine as an example to give you an idea of what you could put in here as well. So right here, yours is going to say like add button, and you can make it say whatever you want here on button title. And then down here you could select a couple of different options, but you want it to go to a flow. So then we're going to open the flow. And the cool thing here now is that I have a delay, and it's going to look like I'm typing. And that's a good thing because it makes it look more real instead of like a bot that it is, you know. And then now this is a voice clip that I made on my phone and downloaded to the computer, and then you can upload it into ManyChat with the audio option. Okay. Now, you don't have to do this. You can make it all text. You could upload a video of yourself instead if you want to. Like, the possibilities are endless. I just want to show you kind of what I'm doing and what is working so far for me. Okay, so I have a voice clip. And on the voice clip, I just introduce myself and I tell them, hey, I'm about to send over the link to my website. You know, and also I don't want to miss anything from them, so please send me a friend request. So now down here, I have my website that I want to send them to. Oh, and then I had another delay, and then a website I want them to send them to, and then I have don't forget to send me a friend request to my personal profile. So now, because the reason for this too is because on a fan page you can't do voice clips. So now you're going to have them, you are still able to send one by downloading it and sending it through ManyChat. And then now when they add you as a friend, they're going to be able to, you're going to be able to do voice clips, and they're going to be able to interact with you on your personal profile, which is really a really cool feature. You know, this is a great tool for connecting your fan page and your personal profile together, which in reality is what you want, because that makes it seem more real to everybody, and it makes it easier for you when you're, you know, conducting your business with these people. So anyway, now going back, let me just hit. So now they have this, they get this sent this message, and they have the option of going to the website or sending me a friend request. Those are their only two options right here. Okay. Now going back, if they were to have said no, they do not have time to talk to me, jerks. Okay, they click no, not right now. Now with this one, I put not right now, they can send a message, or I send a message when they hit this button. That was my action here that I selected, okay? And so now the message that they get is this one here. And I give them a little, like, everyone talks about pain point or whatever, and this is the truth right here. I do take care of my grandma, so I tell them, you know, I understand how valuable your time is. It's hard for me too, to work on my business. Most of my work gets done at night because of what I do during the day. So I tell them that little bit about me, and it helps them to connect with me on a more personal level. And then now here, I have send me a friend request if you like, and feel free to reach out whenever you do have time. So now these are the same exact options that they would have had on the other message if they had said yes. So it's just a big loop on mine. And I plan to add more things to it. There's all kinds of different sequences and flows that you can send people through, and you can make it really personal and really conversational, which is really nice, and it's automated. So guys, this is just very, very basic. I just want to show you like the possibilities, and I want to show you that, you know, if you're not messing around with ManyChat yet, you need to start learning it, because it's a little complicated, but it's amazing. Okay, so anyway, he can be my friend, or he can say I'm ready now, and it's going to send him to the website again, my same website, and that's it. Okay, and then the other thing, let's see, there was something else in here. Okay, well, let's actually, what else do I want to show you guys? I don't want to keep this video too long. There was something else. You can do broadcasting, which is how you would follow up with people through here. I haven't done one yet, so I'm going to make another video for you guys later on to show you how to do that. Growth tools. That's going to be where all of your little flows and things are going to go. Those are going to be really important. And that's going to be like something that you would add to a post with a keyword, and then those people that comment on that post are going to get sent a message. So that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys. If you have questions, you know, try to find the answer on your own first, because I am new to this also. I'm still trying to figure this out for myself, and I'm probably not going to know the answer to your question. But if you really are stuck, then send me a message for sure, or post it in the group. I think some other people in the group are using ManyChat now as well. So check it out, guys. This is a free tool that is really, really, really something. Like, a lot of the big marketers are using it. It's approved by Facebook. You're not going to get put in Facebook jail for sending your link too much, or sending the same messages over and over anymore. You maybe won't necessarily have to try to capture emails anymore, because you are basically capturing their messenger now. And the percentages of open rates on emails compared to messages is insane. Like Messenger has a 90-something% open rate when email has like a 30-40-something% open rate. Like I know I get hundreds of emails every day and I don't even open them at all. So I just want to show you guys, take advantage of the free tools, I'm telling you, especially when it's something as amazing as this. Test it out.